Place it on the ring finger of just your left hand. And repeat these words while holding it in your hands. I, April, take you, Justin.
I, April, take you, Justin.
As my lawfully and spiritually wedded husband. I promise to forsake all others. And cleave only to the Lord. I promise to love, honor, comfort, and spiritually edify you. I take you from this day forth for better or for worse, in riches and in poverty, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. I promise to pray for you, to seek to understand you, to forgive you as God has forgiven me, and to be in loving subjection to you as God's man in your home. I promise to adorn myself as a holy woman with a meek and quiet spirit. I want to be an excellent wife whose worth is far above Google. Therefore, I receive you as God's beautiful gift to me. At this time, AJ is going to play a couple of choruses, and he'd like us to join in as they take care of the unity song.